Are you aware of the danger that is ahead because of you burning crackers? In this video, I'm going to be sharing the 5 reasons that are going to be a big danger because we are going to be burning crackers. So here is what I want to share with all of you. I know all your kids are so excited to burst a lot of crackers, and you're also going to be excited to burst along with them, and that is going to be a way of fun sharing during Diwali. But be aware, the 5 reasons that I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to make you think and also make sure that you are getting responsible to educate the future generation on all the hazards that crackers has in store. Reason number 1, we all know that the harmful elements that is going to be coming out from the crackers is really going to be polluting the environment, and we are aware of that. In fact, the pollution control always comes and keeps all that pollution checking equipments every year when we are celebrating Diwali, and takes control of all the measures. But my dear super viewers, here is also one more, the second thing that I'm going to be sharing with you, which is really important for knowing. The reason number 2 is going to be, we are aware that many of them, and in fact every house almost has one person affected by corona. By this time almost corona has reached to every bit of home, and there had been lot of people recovered from that, and there had been people who were not able to recover from that. But I need to tell you that the post-corona symptoms are more dangerous than the corona itself, and it takes at least 3 months for anybody to start breathing normally after they are affected by corona. And the pollution that is going to be generated from the burning of crackers is definitely going to affect people a lot when they had to inhale that inside them. So this is one of the biggest reason as to no for crackers. Just say no for crackers this Diwali, because this is really going to be helpful for every home, whichever person recovered from corona. And the reason number 3 is going to be the environment. We have seen lot of birds die because of the sound of the crackers. As we all know, our pets, the dogs or the kittens and the birds are going to be having beautiful, sensitive, really sharp ears, and the sound from crackers is going to be very much affecting them. So please ensure that you're also kind to the environment by not bursting crackers and saying no to the crackers. Reason number 4, burning crackers is not safe for people who are doing it as well as people who are manufacturing it. As you all know, the place where crackers are manufactured, they are going to be involved into this activity with lots and lots of poisonous chemicals, using a lot of risk by putting them all using their hands, and that is the same hand they use even to eat their food. So it's definitely creating a lot of skin disease, lot of unwanted diseases, and lot of death in that side also. And the last but not the least, I want to ask you a question. Would you be ready to light up your burner and burn a 1,000 rupee note, or a 500 rupee note or a 2,000 rupee note? Can you burn it? The answer would be no for most of you. But however, by getting crackers, you are absolutely doing that. It is equivalent to burning your money, and lot of us don't realize that. So these are the 5 reasons I want to share with you, so that you take a moment to think about buying crackers before the Diwali, and most importantly, educate the future generation, your children, about the hazards of crackers, and have a safe, eco-friendly Diwali.